what's up? Alright, so I'm bringing you guys on a journey with me to start my little backyard garden. So what we're going to do now is to actually plow the land so we can start prepare it for planting. Guys, I don't know anything about planting, but to what the research I've done on YouTube, I said that you have to plow the land and sow, and you have to sow the things before you actually plant them in the earth. So I don't want to talk too much. Remember to subscribe to my channel, put on your post notification bell. You might hear a little bit more noise because I'm not inside. This is not an inside cooking video. We're going to plant some stuff today, so hopefully we can get those things to use in the kitchen. Alright, stick around guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Come along. Alright guys, over there in the yellow blouse is my mother-in-law, Nurse Jones. Nurse Jones, say hi to your camera now.
Oh, hi, I'm busy working, yeah?
And Nurse right over there, Nicholas over there, and Zachary. Zachary, say hi. Right now guys, I don't know if you can see me good, but we have pineapple already and pumpkin. Yes, so we're gonna continue digging. You have to buy a top. Guys, I'm telling you, I respect all farmers because guess what? This not easy to dig up and to pull the dirt. It's not easy at all, but we have to get it done.
How does those clubs are tearing?
Because I keep using my hand.
Yeah, you should have washed off with some and you should have sprinkled the blood on the land. You know about this something in a place, Brian? Not sure when you do nothing new, you have to sprinkle blood so success come. I can't laugh. When time the man them their country are built up, they sprinkle rum and blood. They don't really dig. They don't dig where dig. Boy, guys, may I tell you say, it don't easy. What a good thing me did eat some fried plantain and bread this morning, cause may I tell you say, this look easy, but it's not.
Please subscribe to my daughter-in-law's channel. Please.
I want pear, me I go take up pear because $100 me pay for one pear per market today and it never good. And guys, every year me get pear from over here, so I just go teeth it. And I encourage you guys to do that though. But anything you want, you can just link me, yeah? But me don't know which one I know one can help me because I want a little something, but me I tell you say just feel like me dey on one big plantation. I go and dig out from man, I'm hungry. Yeah, me hungry. I don't know how long me can hold this because me and tired now. See them nice strong ladies here. What kind of food you eat up a yard there, right?
Laughing food. Look here, man. Usual rice, breadfruit.
Rice now give your body no substance.
Eat, I mean, you love that.
You have to eat yam and dasheen and dumpling, some big dumpling. And some cocoa. Alright, so guys, I start using the phone. And you can see how much we get done already. It's not half as finished yet because we still have to use a rake and rake out the gravel. Right? But me I tell you, say anybody with farm, then eat some nice heavy food in them belly. Me I tell you, because them something like your body come down, master. Big up my nice clean father who a farmer in Hanover. Me I tell you, say thank you so much for farmer help me go to school, because farming don't easy. What you say? You used to doing something here?
I'm plant up some sensimina.
You plant one?
Sensimina.
Okay. So who run the pot?
Hey, no more yan.
Alright, so basically what we are doing is to mosquito. Basically what we're doing is to clear up the land of the garbage and the big stone, because we are gonna rake it out, and then we can start to do the partition. Everything not gonna be done in one day, guys, but I'm taking you guys on step-by-step journey with me. Yes, ja, Rastafari. Give us things we can eat and enjoy, guys. I'm telling you, if you're not in Jamaica, I'm sending love and cane for you, alright? Let me put something I cut off on master. Take a bite, guys. I'm sharing. Alright, hold yours. Hold the cane top. Poppy, poppy, poppy. Alright.
Guys, this is the super.
Yes, guys, we almost finished with the vlog, or whatever you want to call this, but today was a good day. We got some pear from our neighbor here, some nice pear. So you like you pear them? Yeah, where you eat it with? Oh, okay. Yes, guys, this is a beautiful day. I enjoyed myself. Stay tuned for part 2 of our gardening. All right, big up yourself. Thanks for watching. Much love.